Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to visit a local clinic. You will hear a simple story between two friends, Toni and Diana, and a clinic receptionist and doctor. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What illness does Diana have when she visits the doctor? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Oh no, I feel very strange today.
Good morning, Diana. Are you okay?
My head hurts a lot, Toni.
You look very warm. Let me see. Wow, you have a fever.
A fever? Is that bad?
Don't worry, it's okay, but we need to go out.
Go out? Where are we going?
To the local clinic. The doctor is very nice there.
But I am so tired. Can we go later?
It is better to go now. We can walk slowly.
Okay, you are right. I want to feel better.
Great, I will wait for you downstairs. Also, I have a little secret for later.
A secret? Tell me now.
No, it's a surprise for after the hospital.
A surprise? That makes me feel a bit better. I will wear my warm sweater today.
It's 9 a.m. The clinic is open.
I'm ready. Let's go.
You still look a bit pale. Are you dizzy?
Just a little, but I can walk.
Take my arm. I'm here.
Thank you, Toni. You are so kind.
The sun is out. That is good.
The air feels cold but nice.
It is just 10 minutes away.
10 minutes is okay. I don't want to run. Is the surprise in your bag?
Maybe. Or maybe it's in my pocket.
I hope it is something sweet.
If you are brave at the doctor, I will tell you.
I am always brave. Most of the time.
Look, we are almost there.
It looks very quiet.
Quiet is good. No long lines.
It smells like soap in here.
Let's go to the reception desk first.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello. I don't feel well. I have a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. We can help you. Is this your first time at this clinic?
Yes, this is my first time.
Okay, I need you to fill out this form.
Oh, there are many questions.
It's okay. I can help you with the hard words.
Also, do you have your insurance card?
My insurance card? Wait a moment. Oh no, I can't find it.
Check the small pocket. You put it there this morning.
Found it. Here it is. Here you go. Thank you, Toni.
Thank you. Please sit in the waiting area.
Let's sit and finish the form.
Name. Diana. Address.
Remember the street number? It's 42.
4-2. Maple Street. Is that right?
Yes, perfect. Now your phone number.
Toni, look at those colorful posters.
They teach you how to stay healthy.
Drink 8 glasses of water. That is a lot.
It is good for your skin and your head.
Done. I hope I wrote everything well. Toni, do we pay now?
No, we pay after you see the doctor.
Is it very expensive?
No, with insurance, it is much cheaper.
Really? How much cheaper?
Maybe only $20 instead of $100.
Oh, that's a big difference. I feel better.
Anna, can you bring the form here?
Yes, coming. Toni, stay with me.
Let me check. Everything looks correct. Do you have a photo ID? Like a passport?
Yes, here is my passport.
I will make a copy. One moment.
That machine is very fast.
Here you go. I have your info now. The doctor will see you in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That is not too long. Toni, I still want to know the surprise.
Be patient, Diana. It's worth the wait.
Is it a new book? Or a toy?
No and no. Think bigger.
Bigger, like a giant cake?
Maybe. But wait until the doctor says you are okay.
Okay, I will wait. My head still hurts.
I will get you some water. Look at that machine. It has cold and hot water. I'll get cold.
Thank you. This cup is so tiny.
Yes, they are for one use only. Very clean.
Look, there is free candy at the desk.
Those are just mints for your breath.
It smells like peppermint. Refreshing.
More people are coming now.
1, 2, 3, 5 people in the lobby.
Everyone is waiting patiently.
Look at this photo of a healthy salad.
You should eat more greens to be strong.
Maybe you can cook that for me tonight?
I am the best chef in the world.
You are funny, Toni.
Anna, the doctor is ready for you.
Oh, it is my turn. This hallway feels very long.
I will wait right outside this door.
Do I look okay?
You look great. Go on in.
Hello, Diana. Please come in and sit down.
Hello, doctor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you feeling?
I have a bad headache and I feel hot.
I see. When did this start?
It started last night. I couldn't sleep.
Let's check your temperature. Open your mouth.
Mm-mm.
38.5. You do have a fever.
Is 38.5 very high?
It's a bit high, but don't worry. It's common. Now I need to listen to your heart. Breathe in deeply and out. Again, breathe in. Your lungs sound very clear. That's good. Open your mouth wide and say, ah.
Ah,
Your throat is a little red. You have a cold.
just a cold? No surgery?
Aha, no surgery today, Diana. I am writing a prescription for medicine.
Is it a syrup or pills?
One is a syrup for your throat. It's sweet.
I like sweet things.
And these pills are for your headache. Take them twice a day after you eat.
Twice a day. After eating. Okay.
And drink lots of water, 2 liters a day.
2 liters? That is like 10 cups.
Also, you must rest. No running for 3 days.
I can do that. I love sleeping.
Do you have any more questions?
Can I take a warm bath tonight?
Yes, a warm bath is fine. It will help you sleep.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon, Diana.
Hey, how was it?
It was okay. I have a cold.
See, I told you it wasn't scary.
Now, the secret?
After we pay and get the medicine,
Diana, the bill is ready.
$25. That's what you said.
Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please. Tap. Done.
Here is your receipt. Keep it safe. The pharmacy is right next door.
we need to give them your paper.
Wow, so many bottles. Hello, can I have this medicine?
It takes 5 minutes to prepare.
I am hungry now.
That is a good sign. You are getting better.
I got it. The syrup and the pills.
Now let's walk home. Let's sit here for a moment.
Is it time? The secret?
Here it is, your favorite lemon cookies.
Oh, lemon cookies. I love them.
They have real lemon, vitamin C.
Mmm, so crunchy and sweet. Thank you, Tony. This is the best surprise. This morning was bad, but now it's better.
Earlier you were sad. Now you are eating.
The doctor was very fast. I thought it would be slow.
We finished everything in only 1 hour.
1 hour is fast. Thinking about it was slow.
Helping friends makes time go fast.
You are my best friend, Tony.
Let's go. Your bed is waiting.
I will eat more fruit from now on.
And drink that 2 liters of water.
Okay. 2 liters of water.
We are back. That was a good trip.
Home feels so safe and warm.
Go to sleep, Diana. I will bring your tea. Here is some warm tea with honey.
Honey is good for my red throat.
Remember the pills? Twice a day.
Yes, after I eat. I remember. The hospital wasn't scary at all.
Doctors are there to help us.
And this card is like magic.
Medical magic to save money.
I feel sleepy now. The bath helped.
Sleep well, Diana. I will check on you later.
Good night, Tony. Thank you for everything. I feel so much better today. My head doesn't hurt anymore.
Good morning. You look 100% better.
Oranges! Vitamin C, like you said.
You were very brave yesterday.
It was easy because you were there. I know what to do at the clinic now. First, go to the reception desk. Second, fill out the form carefully. Third, see the doctor and say, "Ah." Fourth, pay the bill at the desk. And fifth, get the medicine.
Exactly. You are an expert now.
Next time, I can help a friend too.
That is very kind of you, Diana. Let's go for a small walk. The air is fresh.
I feel so light and happy.
Don't run too fast yet.
I'm just happy to be healthy. Health is everything.
Yes, stay healthy and keep smiling.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What illness does Diana have when she visits the doctor? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!